and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
Airbus delivered 47 aircraft to 27 customers in May 2022. Airbus SE today announced its commercial aircraft orders and deliveries numbers for the month of May 2022. European aerospace giant reported 47 deliveries to 27 customers in May 2022, which brings the total company's 2022 deliveries to 237 delivered to 58 customers to date, up 7% from the first 5 months of 2021. Airbus also reported that it received 13 new orders in May 2022, that included 4 more A350 aircraft for Turkish Airlines. Encouraged by the rapid recovery in medium-haul travel, Airbus announced that it is targeting a total of 720 commercial deliveries in 2022. May deliveries included 37 of the A320 family single-aisle jets that comprise the bulk of Airbus revenue. The company said that it delivered 6% fewer aircraft in May 2022, compared to May 2021, due to aviation industry's woes with distressed supply chains. The A320 May delivery numbers indicate that Airbus most likely added to a backlog of undelivered aircraft based on its most recent announced monthly production rate of 50 planes, but supply chain disruptions have kept a global parts network running closer to the mid-40s per month for now. According to Airbus, the plane maker is planning to increase A320 family aircraft output to 65 jets per month by mid-2023 and is aiming at producing 75 planes a month by 2025. Airbus Group CEO, Guillaume Faury, said yesterday that European aerospace giant remains confident in its future production estimates. In 2022, Airbus had 364 orders or 191 after cancellations so far, compared to Boeing's 213 orders or 157 after comparable cancellations.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group. Or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.